Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This will be a quick recording because that would be, I mean, if I'm to give every detail, then recording be heavier than could be transferred to you through on WhatsApp. So for that reason, I will make it quick so that could be transferred. Now, today we have as you see, a body paragraph. And body paragraph actually follows from the previous presentation, which was on short essay. Particularly, I refer to the thesis statement because the body paragraph. I mean, our the standard essay that right here is a 4-paragraph essay consisting of introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and a conclusion. So our standard practice will be a 4-paragraph essay. Now, so we already explained the different components of the short essay. Particularly, we explain in some detail the introduction to the short essay. We discussed the hook and the background information, and then we explained also discussed the thesis statement. And then we gave example of different types of thesis statements. Now the body paragraph here will center on of course, because we are discussing paragraph structure, that takes us back to the original structure of the paragraph, which consists of 3 components: topic sentence, supporting sentences, and a concluding sentence. Now, the body paragraph, I mean the topic sentence of each body paragraph relates to the thesis statement that we discussed in the previous presentation, particularly to the thesis statement number the example number 2, that is analyzing multiple factors, an analysis which says an analysis of the modern classroom preparation reveals that a student confidence up to the end of the statement. So that now we draw. I mean, the C statement, the topic sentence here draws on that thesis statement. So here, that thesis statements discusses 3 issues, but here, because our standard practice is a 4-paragraph essay, we will just do with the first 2 components that were presented in that sentence. Now, the structure of the paragraph reflects a standard practice called meal plan, and the meal plan the meal stands for this is an acronym for in which the M stands for the main idea, that is topic sentence. The E stands for evidence. The A stands for analysis, and L for link. Now, what we do that in the in the topic sentence appears at the beginning of the paragraph as usual. It focuses on an idea that relates with the thesis statement that we discussed, and I just referred you to what specific thesis statements that we're talking about. Now you connect directly to that thesis statement, and then sometimes in order to establish connection, you need to make use of transitions, and of course, at the end of the paragraph, we should give a conclusion, which is a concluding sentence. Now the introduction and provide evidence. Of course, after the thesis statement, the next step is that we provide evidence. We use transitions where to introduce evidence smoothly, incorporate facts, statistics, or direct cause. This is how this is what we do in providing evidence for the thesis statement, that for the topic sentence that we write at the beginning of the paragraph. Now, if you're using a code, then you have to keep it short. So always, if you are referring to a source, then we have to cite. Now, in the analysis, in the A component of the meal, we have to dedicate. I mean, in the step that comes after the topic sentence, you have to give at least 2 to 3 sentences to explain the evidence. Now, we made a statement, we explain it, then the explanation should be 2 to 3 sentences, so that at least we write a topic sentence, evidence, 2 explanatory sentences, and a conclusion. At least we write 5 sentences, or let's say from 5 to 8 sentences. In the conclusion, Then we have to wrap up the paragraph. I mean, at the end of the paragraph, we have to write a concluding sentence, and then we have to also to be careful about using linking words in order to what to establish connection between sentences. Now the key rules for paragraph essay: paragraph length. Yeah, here aim to 5 to 8 sentences per paragraph. A proportion ensure both body paragraphs are roughly equal in length. And if we have, I said, we're going to have 2 body paragraphs, so have to be equal in length. If we try to have 5 sentences in the body paragraph 1 and 5 sentences in body paragraph 2. If you have 6 here, we should also have 6 there. You have 7 here, we have to 7 there. Also stick to one distinct argument per paragraph. I mean, we don't have to discuss 2 issues in the same paragraph. So each paragraph should be reserved for one issue. So here we have the topic sentences for the 2 body paragraphs. So the BP1 means body paragraph number 1. So this is the topic sentence for the body paragraph number 1. The second one is the topic sentence for body paragraph number 3. We don't need the third one because, as I told you, the standard practice here is going to be a 4 paragraph essay. So we have introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and a conclusion. So for that reason, we don't need 3. Now look at this here. In the last point, it is the same thesis statement that was mentioned in the previous presentation on the short essay. The 3 components that relate to these 3 3 topic sentences are the early exposure to test format. This is developed into topic sentence number 1. Understanding of the grading rules. This is developed in body paragraph number 2. And as I told you, the targeted feedback from teacher. We don't need because our standard practice is just